Yes, sir.
Yeah. So today we want to create one end-to-end flow, order to cash. Okay. We'll create one item. Okay. Let's performing that. You know how to create item, right? Create item with the sales order specifications. So first go to the create item for our own item. So what are the steps we need to following for the order to cash? I'll be explaining each and everything. Please follow for this. So this session is completing for the order to cash flow. Okay. The sales orders, the first order process is order to cash flow. Okay. So let's go to the create item. So the item name is, let's take your item one. This is for iPhone item. Okay. Then go to the specifications. Under specifications, what are the main specifications? Let's go to the sales and order management. Customer's order is enabled. That's only the specification. In the inventory, if it is a physical item, then inventory item is yes. That's all. Save this item and associate this item to the inventory organization 001. Okay. Then, sorry, save and close. Okay, item is saved successfully. We created one item. So before going to that, so after that, create a miscellaneous transaction, especially for receipt. Why? First, you need to ship the material. Before going to shipping the material, first, we need to maintain the on-hand quantity in our inventory organization, right? So for that, let's create a miscellaneous transaction and increasing the on-hand quantity. So in which organization level we associated? 001 level, right? Let's go to the 001 and create a miscellaneous transaction. What is our yeah, and take this, and the item name is iPhone. In which sub inventory level you want to be increasing this on hand quantity? Stores level. Okay, then 11 quantity, or you take one more quantity. So item current cost is no, right? That is the reason we need to enter over here in the line level. Let's enter the item cost. Item cost is 100. Okay, submit. Now we have a sufficient on hand quantity, right? So after that, define the price. Define the item price, right? Where we need to define the item price, we already know about where we need to define. Go to the order management, pricing administration. Under pricing administration, go to here, go to the manage price list. Under manage price list, we have a seeded one price list is there. That's a corporate segment price list. Take this. Under this, go to the item level, So what is our item? iPhone. Okay, create charge of this product. So I'll make 120 and allow the adjustments at runtime, creation of order management level at runtime. I'll be adjusting my price over here. That's all. Save and close. Click on done. Okay. Now let's go to the order management. So now create a order. So what is our order? Item iPhone. Let's see iPhone price is coming or not. Now iPhone price is coming successfully, right? So before going to this process, let's collect the plan data. Collect the plan data. Why this collection is needs to required? Just now we created one item, right? How the system know we created this item? So by using collection plan data, especially for the order management, we need this. Go to the supply chain planning, plan inputs. So under this, go to the task, collect the plan data. So which entity is created just now? So we created item, right? Already we are using seeded organizations and business unit. Just click on this items. Okay. Submit. Okay. Once collection is completed, just refresh. Okay. Run a schedule program. Schedule program. A name called refresh and start order promising server. Okay. This is the schedule program. Let's go to the tools. Go to the schedule process. This is a standard process for all the sales orders. Okay. But we need to run at least one time whenever you created a newly, right? Refresh and order, refresh and order promising server. Okay. Refresh and start order promising server. So for which one we need to run here? Items, right? Items is newly created. Items you need to, and on hand also, right? We have a on hand, we have a items. These all are the standard process programs. Okay. So to collecting the data from the system interface tables to base table. So we need to run these programs, like one is for collection plan data and another one is for refresh and start order promising server schedule program. See, I'm giving steps. Okay. Steps. Then execution. These all are the mandatory steps. Then what is the process of sales order? Okay. So first create a sales order. First we need to see that. Okay. So once it is completed, it is still running. Okay, no problem. Only one item is there. It is already collected. So now go to the order management. Go to the order management. Now create a order. Create order. So what is our business unit? US1 business unit. And the customer is computer rentals. If bill to account is not coming, how to debug that issue, you know, right? Yesterday we discussed that, right? iPhone. Now the price is coming. Just click on add. Click on add. Now in the price list, we are enabling the checkbox as price override, right? Let's, if you want to give the discount amount 10 rupees on this. What is the reason? Sales negotiation. Now 10 rupees will applicable on this. Okay, save and close. Now the price of this is 108. 108 because due to the discount. Now where we need to add our warehouse. Now coming to the here, right? There is a sales agreements. There is a order types. You know how to create order types. Yesterday we see that, right? Order types. And from here, ship to contact. Which contact is receiving this material by sales order? That contact will comes over here. Same contact. Okay. Now requested date. What is the requested date? Today's date only, right? If you want to populate the shipping method, you can populate. Otherwise, inventory will be picking the shipping method. Okay. Ship lines together, no. That means ship lines together. See, for example, if there is a number of multiple lines are there. Okay. Multiple lines are there. So all the multiple lines have the different locations. Right. If you are booking for the like iPhone, fridge, washing machine in Amazon or Flipkart, see, need to be delivered or shipping for all the lines at a time, or say for example refrigerator is ready, we need to ship that material under that sales order. iPhone is ready, so we need to ship that. Okay, refrigerator is comes for the another shipping method, iPhone is coming from the another shipping method, right? So shipping lines together means if no, that means we can ship the material by individual also. See, for 100 lines, we have 10 lines availability quantity is there. Then we can ship. Okay. Then coming to the shipping. In the shipping level, so dates. What are the dates or accepted date? Latest acceptable date or earliest acceptable date? So what is that latest acceptable date or earliest? Earliest acceptable date, see for example, as for the scope of inventory organization, shipping methods, the delivery is coming for expected on day after tomorrow. That means, see for example, today 23 and 26 is the expected delivery date. If organization will plan to shipping only for before 26, that is means 25, is it acceptable or not? That you need to mention over. Latest acceptable date means if any, you have any such type of acceptable date. See, for example, I accepted only for 27. Okay, 27. Then you can give your 27 acceptable date. Because some material, see, for example, I'll tell you the scenario. You are shipping and you are shipping from Bangalore to Hyderabad. You ship that, your home is shipped. So before going to reaching the Hyderabad, so you need to purchase something. So from Bangalore to Hyderabad, before reaching to Hyderabad, you need to ship, you need to book something that will be delivered so and so date, right? If deliveries comes early, which is you are not reached to the Hyderabad, but delivery is coming very early. That means who can receive that material and where we can put that material, right? So that is the reason. If you have any preferences on that, you can give it. Okay. Then free onboarding. Free onboarding Is there any free onboarding related? Okay. If delivery is coming earlier, okay, what is the free onboarding? Where we need to put that material? Freight terms. Freight terms, nothing but if any charges are applicable for this, then you can add prepare freight, collect freights, those things. Then allow partial shipment lines. See, allow the partial shipment lines. Yes, partial shipment lines. If in the general level, we are shipped together lines, no. That means here it is coming as a allow partial shipment lines is yes. Because 100 lines, I need to ship only 10 lines. Yes, yes. If system is accepted, then we need to ship that. Shipping priority. It is a very high priority or low priority or medium priority. If any instructions, say for example, you are booking for the refrigerator, right? You need to be giving any packing instruction or shipping instruction. Take care by care, handle carefully, or shipping carefully, something, or packing carefully. Okay, such type of instructions, if you want to populate, you can populate over here. Then coming to the supply. In the supply level, which warehouse is shipping this material? If you don't have any GOP on this, let's select for the warehouse. Which warehouse is shipping our material? 001. Once you select the 001, automatically supplier is faded. If it is a supplier material, supplier will ship the material to customer, right? If it is a warehouse, warehouse you need to select. And demand class. Demand class. What is the low priority? How the sales order is demanded. Okay. And allow the item substitutions. Say, for example, you are booking for iPhone, right? Instead of iPhone, they are giving another phone. Okay. Is this system is allowing our such type of substitutions? No. No. Okay. So we need exact one. Then coming to the billing. This is billing related. Billing related. Billing address, billing contact, bill to contact method. Contact method is email or how. By email, we are getting the information. Okay. The payment terms. What is the payment term? Net 15. Okay. The payment of method is on account or credit card. And coming to the sales credits. Sales credits. If anybody sales person is created this, right? This sales, then we are providing the sales credits, right? Say, for example, if somebody is working on the Maruti showroom, they completed their sales target today. 2 cars are successfully booked by their execution, right? So for that, sales executive is getting some discounts or some bonus, right? That will be comes into the place of over here, sales credits related. Okay, that's the overview about the sales order. In the line level, you can see. So if it is a shipping, the line level shipping related is things are coming. Under this, we have some override the lining related information. Okay. Above this, we have any additional information. So we can enter the additional information. This is comes by the EFF. EFF, extensive flexi fields. In the line level, where it is there? In the line level, if you want to see the additional fields, in the line level also, we have some additional fields. Okay, let's go to the supply. From here, okay, edit the additional information. Okay, price line information, something, somebody is created this. Okay, so if you want to enter, you want to enter those things. Okay, the pricing things, if you want to see the pricing related discount. Okay, if you want to delete this, 120 is coming into the picture. Now, validate this. Under action level, which currency is going to be processing for the sales order? If you want to see that, like which currency? US dollar. Okay, any conversions are there? Like US dollar to Indian dollar, Indian rupee, then you can follow with currency conversions. Okay, now submit. Once it is submitted, this draft sales order became a processing. A draft sales order became a processing. Okay, That's the overview of the sales order. Now, this is the sales order number. Team, you are following me, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, sales order is created. Now you can see this will be draft become a processing. Draft become a processing. So where we need to see complete order related information. If you want to see that, go to the actions level, go to the action level, switch fulfillment view, switch fulfillment view, where you can see the orchestration of the sales order under fulfillment line. So go to here. Click on that orchestration. Okay. Here you can see it is scheduled, reserved, and shipping is comes into the picture. After that, transaction is completed. That will be maintaining the asset management level. After that, invoices comes into the picture. Right. And which warehouse is shipping this material? If you go to the fulfillment lines, which warehouse? 001. Okay. General information regarding for the sales order. You can see complete the currency, what is the process order. Okay, how many lines are there? What is the price of this? Okay, who can be created this and which customer is receiving this material? Right. And if you go to the shipping, so what type of shipping method is using over here? So what type of shipping method? If we are not populated, right? In the under billing related information is there. Okay. Under item details, item related details are there. Whatever the sales order information level, that will comes complete. Or if any holds will be applicable on this, hold related things are come. Tax, if tax is applicable on this 120, okay, tax will be comes into the picture. Right. At the time of sales order creation, tax will be calculated at the runtime level, right? So that details, all these details are coming into the fulfillment line level. So again, if you go to the orchestration level, see the sales order is comes into the error or successfully processed. That will be seeing from here, orchestration level. Now it is not scheduled. Once it is scheduled, because the first time the system is created for this sales order, right? For this item. So it will take some time because system needs to identify it. Once it is identified, then it will make a reservation. Under that item, the reservation will be happens. So for that item, we cannot book any sales order. So that item is reserved for this sales order. So that will be the automation process. It is automatically happens. Okay. As for our task. As for our task. So up to now, any doubts?
Sir, last time you explained about orchestration. Can you let me know what orchestration is again, sir, please?
Yeah, orchestration is nothing but to maintaining this track of system, right? Schedule, reserve, ship, asset management, right? Okay. How that process will be maintained? By orchestration process. Okay. How system is following by this after schedule reservation will be happens after reservation shipping is how system know about that? The system know by order orchestration process. Okay. Orchestration is nothing but cycle of the chain. Right, cycle of the chain, how it is going and back and going like this. Right, in the same way, schedule, reserve, ship, asset management, invoice. Again, the sales order is coming. Again, as for the item specification coming into the picture. So, which orchestration is processing for this? That we need to see here also. Where it is there. Yeah, go to the line fulfillment view. Now sales order is error. So this custom DOV GSE, this order orchestration process is following. Why the sales order is error? There is a collection plan data regarding this. Now you can see the order management cannot schedule fulfill the line because iPhone is not associated with the organization Seattle. Go to the product information management. It is already associated. Okay. But it is showing like this. Okay. It is showing like this. So how we need to debug this? So go to the plan inputs again, search with that, search the item. So what is our item? iPhone. See, this is already collection is completed, but system is expected again for the collection plan data. Okay, let's go to the collection plan data again. So go to here, select a targeted one. Take order orchestration reference objects also. Now submit. So in the back end, there is a program going on. So whenever we created the item at the first time, we are getting this error. Don't worry about that. Once we run the collection plan data, so after we need to run one refresh program again, go to the schedule program. So the collection plan data is running right now. So again, we need to run one refresh program. Refresh order promising server. Okay. Take only for items. Now let's go to sales order. So we no need to create a new sales order, just processing the existed one. So what is the sales order number? This one, right? Copy the sales order. Search. Okay. So go to here again, refresh. So go to this. Switch fulfillment view. Under that, go to the actions, recover the order. Click on recover the order. Okay, refresh this. Just I'm created one more with copy of this previous one. Let's see that. So sometimes it will take some time. Otherwise, we'll create one more sales order if any error is there. Now it is same error. I'll do one thing. I'll take a seeded item. Okay, let's go to here. Create a sales order. Yes, one sales order. So S000101. That's the order item. Click on the item. Go to this. Go to the supply. Click on 001 and submit. Now refresh this. So it is already created item, right? Previously it is created item. So it will take easily. Easily system is scheduling and creating the scheduling and reservation and everything is processing. Because already the configurations are completed and collections are completed for this system level. Now you can see schedule is started. After schedule, reservation. Against for this. So reservation, if reservation is completed. So where you can see that reservation? I'll show that. Okay. Let's see and wait for a other step. Okay, awaiting shipping. Next, awaiting ship. So for that sales order, reservation is happened. Where you need to see that. So which warehouse is shipping this material? 001, right? If you go to the inventory management, under inventory management, go to the task. Under task, if you see that, manage reservations. Manage reservations and peaks. So if you search with the search by reservation, okay, who is the customer? Computer rentals. And what is the document number? If you want to see that, say for example, what is the document number? Where is the document type? Demand document is sales order. And what is the demand document number? So what is our document number? This one, right? This search with that. Okay. Now search. Organization required. Now you can see under this organization for this item. See, there is a sales order, reserved quantity. How much quantity is there in our sales order? Only one quantity. Okay, if you expand this, see, the reservation is, one reservation is happens for this sales order. So got this reservation where we can see this reservation, right? Now, what is the order? Release it to shipping related. Okay, release it to shipping or inventory. Okay, the next status. Clear? Then, what is the next process? So go to here, go to the inventories, go to the shipments, and now create a pick view. Create a pick view. Once the sales order is created, then create pick view. Why we need to create a pick view? For this material, for the sales order, we need to ship the material to customer, right? So take the releasing rule, auto pick confirmation, and sales order number is, what is the sales order number? This one. Okay, now release. Now you can see one pick slip is released successfully. Okay, click on okay. Now if you go to the pick confirmations level, already pick confirmation is there. If you want to search that with sales order, so we are giving release rule as a pick confirmation, right? Or else if you go to that, so from here confirmed picks, right? If you click on that, see one shipment line awaiting ship confirmation, one is DHL level is there. That means the shipment is waiting for, the sales order is waiting for ship confirmation, because the material is already picking, and pick confirmation as per the release rules. Okay, then confirm the ship. Next unit is confirm the ship. So at the time of picking, so now you can see what is our sales order? 35, right? 35, right? So you see pick slip number is this. Pick slip number 194540. Pick slip number. And what is the pick wave number? Pick wave number is this. Okay, pick wave is to initiating the pick confirmation. The pick wave is comes into the pictures. After initiating the pick wave, once the picking is confirmed, then the pick confirmation will happen. Once the pick confirmation is happened, then the shipment number is generated. Okay, shipment number is generated. Then go to the shipping and confirm the ship. So where we need to confirm the shipping, just cancel this. Cancel this. Okay. Go to the manage shipments. You can also perform here itself. Okay. Confirm and go to the shipments, but it is already confirmed, right? Now go to the shipment, manage shipments. Go to here. Go to the manage shipments. Under this, what is the shipment number? This one, right? Just search. Okay, confirm the shipment. Now shipment status is open. So in the shipment line also, you can enter, say for example, requested quantity is 10, but you shipped only for 5 quantity, then you can enter the shipped quantity. If any lot number and serial number, those numbers will comes into the picture, right? Lot and serial numbers. At the shipping level also, you can confirm it. Or at the picking level also, you can confirm this. Okay. Now, what is the shipping method? This one. Okay. Now click on ship confirmation. Click on ship confirmation. That's all. So now the sales order is shipped successfully to customer. Okay. From here, if you go to the order management, let's see in the back end, there is a lot of programs and documents are created. Reports are created, shipping documents, those things. If you want to see that, go to the schedule program. Let's see. What are the documents are generated? If you refresh this, now you can see ship confirmation document. Attach the ship document to the shipment. Okay. See, there is a number of documents are created. So print bill of lading report. Okay, print bill of lading report, print packing slip report. If you want to take this, right, print packing slip report. If you want to take this, if you want to see this, print bill of lading report. Bill of lading report is giving to the shipping person. Okay, they will take the printout and submit it to the shipment shipping person. Okay, now see, print bill of lading report is generated. This is pack slip report. Which item is packing? Okay, what is the shipment number? Right, in the back end, there is a lot of programs are generated as for the recording purpose. Okay, they will take the printout and processing for the shipments. Now, go to the order management and verify that what is the sales order status. So go to the order management. Under this, what is our sales order? This one. Right. Search. Now, it is already shipped. Now, this will be the last stage of invoice. So, invoice is basically created by the AR team, but not for our functional team. Okay, if you see, it is already shipped. Then if you want to create invoice, there is a one program, schedule program, last program that you need to run. Okay, what is that? Go to the schedules, go to the schedule process. Okay, there is a one schedule program for invoice. What is that? Import auto invoice. This is a schedule program. Import auto invoice. Okay, click on that. Then import auto invoice. Just search with that. Okay, click on that. And provide the specific parameters. The parameters are nothing but sales order and business unit. Click on that. Okay, so what is the business unit? Under which business unit this is created? This sales order is created for which business unit? That you need to select. Okay, yes, one business unit. Just select that and selecting the transaction is CS1 business unit. think system is slow. Now, what is the transaction type? This is distributed order orchestration. Okay, transaction source, because all the sales order related are processing with distributed order orchestration. Okay, click on that. So what is our sales order number? That you need to populate over here. This one, right? So two sales order automatically comes. Okay, now just submit it. So for this sales order, invoice is created successfully. That's the order to cash. This is a complete flow of order to cash. Once invoice is completed, let's see invoice is created or not successfully. So invoice is completed, right? So where is the invoice? This one. Import auto invoice execution report. In the execution report level, you can see the complete invoice report. Now go to this and see the invoice report. See the invoice report. Go to here. Under this, go to the PDF. Go to the PDF. So if you open this, the invoice is generated successfully. Now you can see the total amount of this 3 quantity. For this 3 lines are there. I think 3 lines quantity is generated over here. Okay. So where you need to see the invoice number from the sales order level, just go to the order management. So go to the order management, go to the order, just query that order. So complete end to end. So see the sales order status is closed, right? Let's see. So where you can see the shipment details and invoice details from the sales order level, just go to the order orchestration number. Under order orchestration number, so okay, go to the invoice, click on that, go to the view fulfillment details. Under view fulfillment details, bill of lading number is this, okay, and shipment number is this, deliver number 85196, right? Same number is there, 85196. That's the shipment number. And where is the invoice number? Go to the billing, and this is the invoice number. This is what complete end-to-end flow about the sales order. Any doubts on this? This is what the O2C flow. Any doubts? Just practice on this. Okay. If you get any stock on this sales order level, we'll clarify on that. Okay.